Hey there, Javi here with BorrowLenses.com, and today we're going to test out the brand new GoPro HERO7 Black. Now, I know what you're thinking, another year, another GoPro, and I get it. A lot of times their upgrades have been pretty incremental, enough so that you don't really need to upgrade to a new camera. That might not be the case with the HERO7 Black. There's a couple of features not present in previous models, such as auto HDR in photo and internal live streaming options. But the one that has us really excited is HyperSmooth, which promises gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. Those are bold words, GoPro. Let's put them to the test. Tom here is gonna take a ride through the city with one camera on HyperSmooth and one not. We're gonna put them side by side and check whether or not it's actually worth it. Let's go check it out. So we're back, and after taking a look at the footage, I gotta say, we're really impressed with the HyperSmooth on the HERO7. Granted, you're only recording in 2.7K instead of 4K, and there's a slight image crop, but in some scenarios, the trade-off is worth it. Here is a side-by-side of some shots with and without HyperSmooth. We also took the non-HyperSmooth footage and put it through a post-production stabilizer to see if we could recreate the effect. The in-camera mode was noticeably better. While the footage is gimbal-like in this scenario, it is not going to replace your gimbal in situations where you need to do more complex or controlled moves. For that, you can get the GoPro Karma Grip. So there you have it, the GoPro HERO7 Black Edition. If you want to learn more about this camera or anything else that we carry, check out the blog or rent it for yourself at BorrowLenses.com. Thanks for watching.